Okay, guys, we found a dead bird. And where is it now? It's over here. I can't believe. I'll zoom in for this, so you guys could get a better look. Look, it's dead. And yeah, and my other friend is recording. Look. And this is me, like always. You saw me before, and she was dead. We got it. Okay, it's literally dead. It just give you the freak. Oh my God, it's so big. And Katie's here that ruined one of our friends' videos.
I will come near you and show you that.
And this is our pool, guys. A pool. Yeah, it's kind of green. I dare you to look in. Yeah. Hi, and this is my friend that I had to do it again because Katie ruined her video. And here's Malvina. And last video was Rua had a comic book, and she was doing it, working on it. And this one I got from George. My stealing it. And Katie stealed it, which I hate. And there she is. So guys.
And that's dumb. What? Oh, terrible.
And guys, that's her video. And look at my video. Hi, my name is Ryan. Sorry. And here's one of our trees that is beautiful. And one of our trees over there that is beautiful. And that tree, all of these trees. That's my neighbor's house, my other neighbors, and our house is big. Not kind of haunted, but it's haunted. If anybody watches my YouTube channels, they're lucky because I done one at the mall with my mom. And like I said, there's a pool over there.
I will see YouTube channel.
And here I'm going to show the review of behind the pool. Let's review. Or do you want to? Just subscribe if you want to see it. And here's the monkey fence.
Film
But which is not a lot.
Film me.
And here's her.
Film me.
And here's her.
Film me.
And I don't know what she's saying.
Hold this.
And
I'm
guys,
gonna do the monkey ball.
she's gonna mess up this YouTube. She's gonna mess this up. I don't know why. Both records are on. Look. And here's her. Here's her. Back again.
I got some.
And film me. Film me. Film me. Go, Ryan! Woo-woo!
So, I'm gonna give it back.
So
we're gonna end this video right now. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.
Me too, but not mostly her. She's my friend. Just kidding. Subscribe to her. Just and subscribe.